once again to our classroom, boys and girls. Hello, friends. Last time we met, you may remember that Mailman Mike brought us a special invitation from the principal of our school. I'm so excited, Mr. E. What's an invitation? An invitation is a special request from someone you know to come join them for a special event. Like a birthday party. Or maybe just to meet up and play video games.
Yay!
Precisely, Newton. Now, considering that this is from the principal, it must be for something important. Shall I read the invitation, Newton? Yes! The suspense is giving me goosebumps! Here goes. Dear Mr. E and his ace assistant, Newton. That's me! Come one, come all to the Bridge Builders Academy Springtime Art Show. Wow, we're going to an art show. Please bring your best picture to display at our show. The show will be from 9 o'clock until 4 p.m. in the multi-purpose room, also known as the MPR. I hope this shapes up to be our best show yet. Signed, Principal Doodle. Great! But how do we know which picture to take with us? I made 4 drawings for our classroom art gallery, but it sounds like Principal Doodle would like us to take only 1 picture. This is quite the pickle, Newton. You know, maybe there is a clue from our principal somewhere on this invitation. Let's see. Hey, I see some shapes around some of the words on the invitation. Yes, Newton. What shapes do you see? Well, I see a circle right here. There's a triangle right here. Oh, and there's a square over here. And there's a rectangle way down here. Can you read the words inside the 4 shapes? Sure, Mr. E. Inside the circle is the word 1. And inside the triangle is the word picture. Over here, I see the word 4 inside the square. And lastly, down here is the word shapes inside the rectangle. 1 picture, 4 shapes. Aha! I get it. Principal Doodle wants us to draw 1 picture that uses all 4 shapes that we've learned. That will be our picture for the art show. Yep, it's time for some cumulative review. Review rhymes with clue. You are correct, Newton. Let's review the 4 shapes from our first 4 lessons by looking at our shapes chart. Newton, what can you tell the boys and girls about each of our shapes? Well, first of all, we have the circle. It's round and does not have any corners. Next, we have the triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. The next shape is the square. It has 4 sides, all of the same length and 4 corners that form perfect L-shaped right angles. The last shape is the rectangle. It also has 4 sides and 4 corners that form perfect L-shaped right angles. But the sides aren't necessarily the same length. And that brings us to today's drawing lesson. Newton, would you please tell us what we need before we start today's lesson? For today's lesson, you will need a sheet of paper. My sheet of paper is ready to go. You will also need something to draw with, like a pencil, or a crayon, or a marker. Fantastic! Now is the time where you may pause the video if you need to find your drawing supplies. We will be waiting patiently right here. All set? Super! Today, we will be drawing all 4 of the shapes we learned in the other lessons. Circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles. And making a shape train. Let's get started. Let's get started with a simple finger exercise so we can get right into tracing our shapes. Today, let's just wiggle our fingers, like this. Wiggle, 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 stop. Again. Wiggle, 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 stop. Great. Get your pointer finger ready. We're gonna trace some shapes. First shape is the circle. It's round. We're gonna trace in the middle of our paper. Pointer finger ready? Here we go. Circle. Great! Next shape is the triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Get your pointer finger ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Great! Next shape is the square. Squares have 4 equal sides with 4 corners. Get your pointer finger ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Last shape we're going to practice is the rectangle. Let's make a rectangle that is wide and short, like an envelope. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Get your pointer finger ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent! That was fun! Let's do some drawing. Let's get our pencil, or marker, or crayon ready. I have my marker ready to draw. Let's do it! Remember, when we draw on our paper, I like to think there are 3 areas to draw on. Up here is the top. Right here is the middle. Down here is the bottom. Ready? Get your marker ready, or crayon, or pencil. We shall draw some shapes. First, let's draw a large square for the main body of our train, here. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Now let's draw a small square over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Let's draw some rectangles for smokestacks. We will make small rectangles, ones that are tall and narrow, like a door. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! Let's make some triangles for the cowcatcher up front and for the roof on our train. Let's make a small triangle up front, like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's make a medium-sized triangle for the roof on our train. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Great! Let's add some circles for wheels on our train. Let's make 2 small circles right here. Here we go. Small circle. Small circle. Now let's add 1 more medium-sized circle back here. Ready? Medium-sized circle. Cool! Let's add a small square window on the side of our train. I think we're just about done. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent! At this time, you can extend the activity by adding your own details. For example, you can make some smoke coming out of the smokestacks. Or you can draw a conductor driving the train. Or you can draw some train tracks beneath the train. Well, Newton, that concludes the final lesson of our Shapes unit. I think you've created a masterpiece for the art show. I'm proud of you, Newton. And I'm also very proud of you, boys and girls, who have worked so hard to make your very own masterpieces. Thank you, Mr. E. I love to draw, and now I know I can. Of course, Newton. Anyone can draw. It just takes a little time, the right tools, and a lot of imagination. I think it's almost time for the art show. Paging Mr. E. Mr. E, you have a very important message from Principal Doodle-Doo. This is it, Newton. Let's listen closely.
Hello, and good morning to you, Mr. E. Good morning to you too, Newton.
Hi, Principal Doodle-Doo.
I understand that you gentlemen have created the perfect work of art to display at our springtime art show. I can't wait to see it.
We have it right here, sir.
Well, don't leave me waiting here, Mr. E. The suspense is giving me goosebumps.
We'll be right there, Principal Doodle-Doo. Let's go, Newton. Come on, boys and girls. You're invited too.
Well, Mr. E and Newton, you've really outdone yourselves this time. It's perfect.
Thank you, Principal Doodle-Doo. I really learned a lot about shapes, drawing, pre-reading, and pre-writing skills. Now I'm ready for a new adventure. Me too, Newton. Me too. Thank you for joining us, boys and girls. Bye-bye.